I've been using the Galileo FX automated trading bot for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review of the platform. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. First, let's look at what Galileo FX promises. The platform promotes itself as a fully automated AI trader trusted by over 10,000 users. It claims to manage trades from start to finish, with past results showing an investment of $5,000 growing to $70,000 in 7 months with a 22% risk level. Additionally, Galileo FX offers over 250 ready-to-use strategies, which can be loaded with just 2 clicks, allowing users to track their progress easily. But is it truly reliable? Let's take a look at its security features. Galileo FX is committed to security, employing advanced technological measures designed to safeguard the integrity of your trading operations. The system incorporates robust encryption and multi-layered security protocols to help protect your data and transactions. However, as with any online platform, it's essential to remain vigilant and informed about your account security. Now let's talk about the user experience. Galileo FX is designed to be accessible across various platforms, including Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and Chromebook. For Mac OS users, it operates like a native app when using Parallels or VMware. Windows 10 and 11 are fully supported, ensuring smooth integration on the latest operating systems. This cross-platform compatibility makes it convenient for users to monitor their portfolios anytime, anywhere. When it comes to risk management, Galileo FX provides users with significant control over their trading decisions. The software offers advanced settings, including 5-tier loss protection, maximum orders, consecutive signals settings, and lot size adjustments, allowing users to manage risk according to their own risk-reward preferences. This level of customization empowers traders to tailor the platform to their individual needs. However, it's important to address some of the drawbacks. While Galileo FX boasts impressive past performance, it's crucial to remember that no trading platform guarantees consistent success. The foreign exchange market is inherently volatile, and there will be losses. Additionally, some users have reported challenges in understanding the language used in the guides, especially if English is not their first language. Another point to consider is the pricing structure. Galileo FX offers 3 versions: Personal, Plus, and Pro. The Personal version has a monthly profit limit of $1,000. The Plus version can reach up to $5,000, and the Pro version has no limit on monthly income. It's essential to evaluate which plan aligns best with your trading goals and budget. When it comes to risk management, Galileo FX provides users with extensive support system, including tutorials and technical help, which can be beneficial for both beginners and experienced traders. However, as with any service, individual experiences may vary, and it's advisable to reach out to their support team with any specific concerns. Overall, Galileo FX presents itself as a robust automated trading solution with a range of features catering to different types of traders. Its advanced risk management settings and cross-platform compatibility are notable advantages. However, it's essential to approach with realistic expectations, understanding the inherent risks involved in trading. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.